You don't know J Loyal up. Turn up with him. DJ Smokey. That's right. Yeah, yeah. All about the M-O-N-E-Y. Money a fi stack up to the sky. Man say money a fi make, link a fi set. That's what we do. Whole heap of asset. Achieve the greatness, be the best of the best. I fi make this official. Money a fi make, link a fi set. That's what we do. Whole heap of asset. Achieve the greatness, be the best of the best. I fi make this official. Yo, entrepreneur bosses around here. Money pa we mind and we focus clear. Girl, them a tell me them here about the G, that's why them park up downstairs. Hustle so hard, money stuck pan way. Style so fresher than a New Year's Day. Can't be fake and you have to pre straight, cause we have to make the money grow. And me say money have to make, link off a set. That's what we do, we'll heap a asset. Achieve the greatness, be the best of the best. Have to make this official. Money have to make, link off a set. That's what we do, we'll heap a asset. Achieve the greatness, be the best of the best. Have to make this official. Yo, make money, cashable more that. Make money in the street and they code that. Hot girl them see we and cool up. Money stockpile can't fold up now. Yachts and jets and tour bus. Cashable at the click no bogus. Girls them power team get bonus. Yo, I miss say money have to make, link off a set. That's what we do, we'll heap a asset. Achieve the greatness, be the best of the best. Have to make this official.
Ain't the man say money have to make it us and have to go to go work hard. You get to be a talk about, yes, Nero Balisha. Let me go start with you, my boss. You know what thing going on, money have to make.
J Loyal, may I give a solid 7 for that, you know. You understand? Presentation, that's my thing. See me? That still not say me I gotta dictate which way you gonna reach in our life anyways, you know what I mean? But just like when everybody bring them A game to the competition, still, you see me I say? That. Yo,
thank you, Nero Balisha.
Honestly, your attire, I appreciate your look right now. You look smooth. And I didn't get that from you. So I'm going to give you a 5 because, you know, everything is a part of becoming a performer. Not only what you're singing, how you look, your style, your attitude, expressing who you are as an individual. And I didn't see that. You know, you look great, sharp, smooth. But in the song, I just didn't get that. As I said, hopefully next time.
All right, thank you for that. All right, everybody just give her a score. Put up a score, yeah. Yeah, give her
it's a solid 6, you know.
Yeah. Just give her the score then.
Solid 7.
All right, make sure all scores written down, you know what I mean?